All right, so we're here at the 100-yard firing line. We've got our targets set up downrange, and we've got the Ranger downrange as well. So I'm in the Longshot app. I'm gonna go ahead and open the camera feed. So we'll start off with the shot marking feature and then get into some of the more advanced features of the app after that. All right, so our first shot is way down here. Now that was our first 3-shot group. I'm gonna go ahead and change my color, and we will start shooting another 3-shot group. All right, so there's our first 2 groups with this rifle. I really want to demonstrate how the shot blinker works and how helpful it can be. So just imagine that you're looking at the target, you don't have any shot markers on it, it's full of bullet holes. How in the world do you know which one's the newest bullet hole? So let's just put a couple more in there and demonstrate that. I really have no idea legitimately which one was the newest, and there it is right there. Okay, and even when they're touching, so now that's just one big hole, but the hole expanded to the left. We can even tell that with the shot blinker feature, which is a really nice tool and would be very difficult to do without this. We've got this selfie mode down here, which is pretty cool. You can film yourself picture in picture with the target, and then you can start shooting. You can tap this once for a snapshot, and you can tap and hold to record. And I typically choose record screen and microphone. It's going to use the microphone on the tablet and record the audio here at the firing line with the video as well. I'll just pinch to zoom in there, mark that. One other thing I want to demonstrate is that you can actually adjust the size of the shot markers as well. So if you're shooting a large caliber round, or depending on where the camera's placed, you may need to adjust that. And then you can change the color for each group, each new group that you start shooting too. And if you long press the shot marker button, it will actually temporarily hide the shot markers so that you can see the actual impacts a little bit better. Oh man, that's a terrible shot placement. I don't like that. We've actually got an undo button here in the app. You can tap that, zoom in closer, and place the marker right where you want it to be. Also, you can long press this button and it'll erase all of the shot markers that you have up. So if you're done shooting this target, you put a new target up downrange, then you'll want to wipe those shot markers and start with a clean slate. All right, so that was an overview of the Longshot app, pretty much all the features within. There's some new features that we haven't covered before, and there's some details on that. But we hope you enjoy it, and reach out to us with any suggestions or app feature requests that you may have.